memorabilia. Bob Dylan. Nice food in there. Gets a bit busy. On the doorstep. Lovely aroma as you walk through. Don't know if you can buy it, but it smells lush. And you get to your lift. You have to show your card in the lift to go up. To present the card to the... There's ice on some levels. There's one on level 9, ice machine just at the end of the corridor, just up there. So go into the room. So here you are, room 939. So you walk in, little bar area, you have a little fridge, but you can't use it and you have to pay to use their stuff. Actually, is their stuff cold? Yeah, it's all cold, but you have to pay for it. So you get an ice bucket and there's an ice machine just around the corner. It's got nice pictures there, a nice chaise lounge seat, we haven't really sat on it, and a big TV there, nice roomy here, ironing board. So we've just had the room cleaned, so we've got a rug arrived. So there's the sink area for brushing your teeth and washing, etc. Just show you the bathroom. So we've actually got a disabled room, handicapped room they call it over here. It's got a doorbell. So obviously there's the toilet. You've got a walk-in shower, which is okay. You tend to get a bit of water on the floor, but it's not the end of the world. A nice sit-down shower if you need it. So nice little rug there. Then there's the aircon. So you've got a nice curtain here to isolate someone's showering if you want to kind of just lay on the bed or whatever. So that's a nice touch. Lots of storage space, cabinet by the bed, drawers here, and then you've got a nice wardrobe facility, iron, safe, which is nice, another there. And then the aircon blows out of there, which is fine. Got a couple of bar seats for the bar area. We've moved them to here. And this room, 939, is a pool view. They did say when we checked in that because it's the 4th tomorrow, there might be some noise from down there. Couldn't fault the room or its location. Right in the centre of San Diego, the Gaslamp Quarter. Everything you need. Staff all very friendly. A great stay.